Welcome to Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Susruta Samhita Chikitsa Sthana. Chapter 13 Madhumeha Chikitsidam Medical Treatment of Diabetes. Adhado Madhumeha Chikitsidam Vyakyasiyamaha Yatho Vacha Bhagavan Dhanvantarihi. Now we shall discuss on the medical treatment of diabetes. Madhumeha. Madhumehatvam Apannam Vishadbihi Parivarchidam Yogena anena madiman pramehinam upajaret. The intelligent physician should adopt the following course of treatment in the case of a Madhumeha patient abandoned as incurable by other physician. Mase shukre shauchau chaiva shailaha suryamshu tabitaha jadu prakasham swarasam shilabhyaha prasravandihi shila jadu vidi vikhyadam sarva vyadi vinashanam. A kind of gelatinous substance is secreted from sides of mountain, Shaila, when they have become heated by the rays of sun in months of Jeshta and Ashada. Suryam Shutabida. This substance is what is known as Shila Jadu, and it cures all distempers of body. Sarva Vyadi Vinashana. Trabhuvadhinam tu lohanam shannamanyatama anvayam nyeyam swagandhataschabi shadyoni pradhadid shridam. The presence of six kinds of metals such as tin, lead, copper, silver, gold and black iron in their essential form in the substance Shila Jadu may be detected by their respective smell Gandha, and hence it is known to the people by the name of Shadyoni, that is having six different origins. Lohat bhavati tad yasma shila jadu prabha tasya lohasya tadviryam rasam cha abhi viparti tad. The taste of this shellac colored substance has the same taste rasa and potency virya as the metal to whose essence it owes its origin. Trabusisa ayasadhini pradhanani uttarottaram yatha tada prayoge abhi sreshte sreshta gunaha smrdaha. It should be understood that as tin, trabusa, sisa, lead, iron, ayasa, etc. are progressively more and more efficacious, so the different variety of Shila Jadu originated from the essence of tin, lead, iron, etc. are progressively more efficacious in their application. Tat sarvam tikta kadugam kashaya anurasam saram kadupagi ushna viryam cha shoshanam chedanam tatha. All kinds of Shilajadu have a tikta, bitter and kadugam, pungent taste, with kashaya anurasam and astringent aftertaste, saram laxative, kadupakya pungent in digestive action, ushnaviryam heat making in their potency, and possessed of shoshanam absorbing and chedanam purifying property. Teshu yad krishnam alego snigdam nisharkaram cha yad gomutra gandhi yachabi tat pradhanam prajakshade. Of this what look krishna black, snigdam glossy, alego heavy, nisharkaram devoid of sandy particle, as well as gomutra gandhi what smell like urine of cow should be considered as best pradhanam. Tad bhavidam saraganaihi hridadosho dhinodaya pibet sarodhagenaiva selekshana pishtam yatha balam. This best kind of Shila Jadu should be infused with decoction of drugs of Shalasaradi group after the manner of Bhavana saturation for 10, 20 or 30 days. Then after cleansing the body by application of emetics and purgatives, it should be taken every morning by the patient in adequate dose, well pasted with Sarodaka. Jangalena Rasena Annam Tasmin Ajirnetu Bojaged. He should further be made to take a meal of boiled rice mixed with soup or flesh of animal by Jangala group after the medicine had been fully digested. Ubayujya tulamevam girijadamardobamat vabuvarna bhalo bhedo madhumeha vivarjidaha jeevid varsha shadam purnamacharo amara sannibaha. A tula measure of this hill begotten panchia, Shila Jadu, when gradually taken in adequate dose, tend to improve the strength and complexion of body. Vabuvarna bhalopedo. Madhumeha vivarjidaha cures an attack of Madhumeha. Jeeved Varshashadam. Enable the user to witness a 100th summer on earth. Purnam Ajaro Amara Sanniba. Free from disease and decay. Shadam Shadam Tulayam Tu. Sahasram Dasha Taulike. Each Tula weight of this medicine, taken successively, adds a century to duration of human life, while 10 Tula measure extend it to 1,000 years. Balladaka Vidhanena Parihara Vidhi Smradaha. The regimen of diet and conduct during the period of its use should be identical with what described in connection with the use of Balladaka compound. Meham, Kushtam, Abasmara Unmadam, Sleepadam Garam Shosham, Shoba Arshasi Kulmam, Pandudam Vishamajwaram, Abohatya, Achirat Kalat, Shilajadu Nishevidam. Case of Meha, Kushta, epilepsy Abasmara, Unmada insanity, Sleepadam elephantiasis, Garam poison begotten distemper, Shosham phthisis, Shoba edema, Archasi hemorrhoid, Gulma internal tumor, Panduda jaundice, Vishamajwaram chronic fever, prove readily amenable to the curative efficacy of Shila Jadu. Naso asti rogo, yam cha abhinihanyana shilajadu. Indeed, there is no such bodily distemper which does not yield to its highly curative virtue. Sharkaram chira sambhudam, binati cha tadha ashmari. It acts as a chira sambhuda binati, potent solvent in case of long-standing sharkara in bladder as well as of stone, ashmari. Bhavana alodana. Cha asya kartavye beshajaihi hidaihi. Shilajadu should be treated bhavana and alodana, soaked and dried with appropriate medicinal drug by stirring it up with the same. Makshiga kalpa. Evam cha makshigam. Dadum, tabijam, amardobamam. The metal known as makshiga, that is iron pyrites, which grows in river of Tabi and which copes with the divine ambrosia in its highly therapeutic property, may also be used in the same way and under the same sort of preparation. Metal is divided into two classes according to its color as Swarna Makshiga, gold color, and Rajata Makshiga, silver color. Maduram Kajanabam, Sam Amblam, Va Rajata Prabham. Of this, the first, that is Swarna Makshiga, has a Madura or sweet taste, while the second, Rajata Makshiga, is acid or Amlam. Piban, Handi, Jara Kushta Meha Pandu Amaya, Kshaya. Both of them prove efficacious in case of Jara, decrepitude, Kushta, Meha, Pandu, jaundice, and Kshaya, consumption. Tad Bhavidaha Kabodamsha, Kulathamsha Vivarchaye. A person using Shila, Jadu, and Makshika should refrain from taking Kabodamsha, pigeon flesh, and Kulata parts. Panchakarma Gunadidam, Sraddhavandam Jijivishu, Yogena Anena Madhiman, Sadhayedabi Kushtinam. The following measures should be adopted by an experienced physician in case of a patient suffering from Mehan Kushta and who has a firm faith in medicine and is desirous of existence, and in whose case the curative efficacy of Panchakarma has been baffled. तुवरग कल्प वृक्षाः तुवरगा ये स्युः पश्चिमार्णवभूमिषु वीचितरङ्ग विक्षेप मारुतोदूत पल्लवाः. The Tuvaraga plant which grow on shores of western sea, Paschimarnava Bhumishu, are constantly tossed about by the winds, raised by waves of sea, Vichitaranga Vikshepa Marutoduda. Tesham Falani Grihniyat, Supakvanya Ambuda Agame, Majja Tebhyo Abhi, Samhritya Shoshayitva Vichurnya Cha. The pitta mara of seeds of this plant should be carefully collected in rainy season while they ripen and should be subsequently dried Shoshayitva and pounded Vichurnya. Tilavat Pidaye Dronyam Sravaye Dva Kusumbavat. The oil should be either pressed out of the seeds in a mill in the manner of preparing sesame oil, tilatailam, or squeezed out like that used in the case of kusumba flower. Tat tailam samhradam bhuyaha pajeta toya samkshayat. The oil should be boiled over fire so as to have its inherent watery particle completely evaporated. Avadharya karishe cha pakshamatram nidhabayet snigdaha swinno hridamalaha. Then it should be taken down from fire and kept in a pitcher and then buried for pakshamatram fortnight in karishe, heap of well-dried cow dung. Patient should be duly snigdaha anointed, swinna form and then treated with hridamala cleansing remedy. पक्षादूर्ध्वं प्रयत्नवान् चतुर्थभक्त अन्तरितः शुक्लादौ दिवसे शुभे मन्त्रपूतस्य तैलस्य पिबेन् मात्रां यथा फलम्. He should wait a fortnight and wait for a period of 4 meals more, and at the next morning he should drink a portion of the oil in adequate dose to Tula under the auspices of favorable astral combination in the lighted fortnight of the month. तत्र मन्त्रं प्रवक्ष्यामि येनेत् अपि मन्त्रयते मज्जसार महावीर्य सर्वान् धातून् विशोधय शङ्ख चक्र गदा पाणिः तु आमाज्ञापयते अच्युतः. He should be made to recite at the time of his taking the fourth dose a mantra which runs as follows: cleanses and purifies all the potent essence of seed marrow, all the essential principle of my vital organism, the deity who know no decay and suffer no change, and who wields a discus, a mace, a conch shell, that is, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Pani, in his arm, commends thee on that behalf. तेन अस्य ऊर्ध्वम् अधश्चापि दोषा यान्ति अयस्कृततः. The dosha in both the upper and lower part, urdhva adha, of a patient body are cleansed with the help of this oil, which should be given to patient in morning. Asneha levanam sayam yavagum sheetalam pibet. While sheetala yavagu, a cold gruel, asneha levana, unseasoned salt, not mixed with any emollient substance, that is oil or clarified butter, should be given to him in afternoon, sayam. पञ्चाहं प्रपिबे तैलमनेन विधिना नरः पक्षं परिहरे च अपि मुद्गा ओदन अशनः. The use of this oil should be repeated in the same manner for 5 days in succession, and the patient should avoid anger, etc. and leave on mudga and odana, boiled rice, for a fortnight. Paksha Panchabihi Divasehi Evam Sarva Kushtehi Vimuchyate. A 5-day use of this oil would ensure the cure of every type of kushta and madhumeha. Tadheva gadira kvadhe trigune sadhu sadhidam nihida purvavat pakshat piben masam atandridaha. The forgiving Tuvaraga oil should be boiled and prepared with a decoction of Kadhira, weighing 3 times the quantity of oil and taken internally with the patient for a month for the same purpose. Tena abhyakta sharirasya kurvida aharam iridam. The patient should anoint his body, abhyaktam, with the same and then take his meal in the prescribed form. भिन्नस्वरं रक्तनेत्रं विशीर्णं कृमिभक्षितम् अनेन आशुप्रयोगेण साधयेत् कुष्ठिनं नर. A kushta patient as well as a meha patient suffering from Bhinnaswaram, hoarseness, Raktanetram, red eye, with Krimi-bhakshitam, worm-eaten, and Vishirnam, emaciated limb, should be speedily treated with this oil as an anointment and a drink. Sarpi madhuyudam pidam tadeva ghadhirambuna pakshi mamsa rasaharam karodi dvishada ayusham. Regular portion of the above medicinal tuvaraga oil taken with madhu, honey, sarpi, clarified butter and decoction of kadhira and pakshi mamsa rasahara, a diet consisting of soup of bird's flesh, would enable the user to live for a period of 200 years. Dvishada ayusham. तथैव नस्ये पञ्चाशत् दिवस अनुपयोजितं वपुषम् andam श्रुतिधरं karodi trishada ayusha. A use of this oil as nasya for a period of 50 consecutive days would enable the user to witness 300 years on earth, trishada ayusha, in the full enjoyment of bodily vigor and a youthful glow of complexion, as well as with a very powerful retentive memory. शोधयन्ति नरं पीदा मज्जानस्तस्य मात्रया महावीर्यः तुवरगः कुष्ठमेहाबः परः. A regular use in an adequate dose of pith majja of Tuvaraga cleanses system of the patient, Shodhayanti, and is a most potent remedy in case of Kushta and Meha. स अन्धः धूमः तस्य मज्जा तु दग्धः क्षिप्तः तैले सैन्धवं च अञ्जनं च पैल्यं हन्यत् अर्म नक्तान्त्यग काञ्चान् नीलिरोगं तैमिर्यं च अञ्जनेन pith, that is inner pulp of seeds of tuvaraga, burnt in a closed vessel under dhuma, should be mixed with saindava salt, anjana and tuvaraga oil. This prepared compound used as an anchana collyrium is efficacious in case of eye disease such as naktandya, night blindness, arma, neelirogam, kacha, and thymiria. इति सुश्रुतसंहितायां चिकित्सास्थाने मधुमेहचिकित्सितं नाम त्रयोदशो अध्याय. Thus ends the 13th chapter of Chikitsasthana in Susruta Samhita, which deals with the treatment of Madhumeha. So thank you for watching our video. Like our channel Ayurveda Smart E-Classes. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Also, don't forget to post your doubts in the comment section for more clarification. All the links are given below the video. Thank you.